Business English phrase of the day from tomebusinessenglish.com. Welcome to To Me Business English. If you like this content, then please like and subscribe to our channel. In this business English lesson, you're going to learn the office phrase, have a lot on one's plate. Let's say it again. Have a lot on one's plate. Now, let's do an activity. I want you to guess the meaning of have a lot on one's plate from the picture and sentence on the next slide. Let's go. Guess the meaning. My manager asked me to complete a lot of paperwork this week, so I have a lot on my plate right now. So, guess the meaning. You have 5 seconds from now. What does it mean? Have a lot on one's plate. To have a lot of work to do, or to have a lot of responsibilities, or to have a lot of problems to deal with. And here's another example of how to use the phrase have a lot on one's plate. I wish my manager would give me a new project to do. I don't have a lot on my plate right now and I'm bored. And a final example. My brother has a lot on his plate these days. He's got 3 kids, a full-time job, and he does a lot of charity work. I don't know how he does it all. Okay, now it's your turn. Here's an activity for you. Use the office phrase, have a lot on one's plate, to make a sentence. You can answer in the comment section below this video, and I'll take a look. To learn more office phrases, get the Improve Your Business English Master 100 Key Office Phrases course, available at tomebusinessenglish.com courses. It has more than 7 hours of video content with worksheets and activities with easy to understand explanations of office phrases.